What is going on, Earth2 novice, enthusiasts, and everyone in between? Welcome back to another episode in which we are going to be discussing Earth2, of course. Now, I've got some announcements that I want to go over. These are straight from CEO of Earth2, our commander, chief, and messiah of the new world, Shane Isaac. I've decided to break them up in a number of different videos so they don't get too lengthy, and it allows you to get to just the videos that are of interest to you. Hopefully all of them are, but I'll probably also have some links popping up above, and maybe even some links in the show notes. I don't know. Let's see if I remember to put them there. And if you want to skip ahead to different content, by all means do that. And also, remember, while you're down there, check out the other links, namely the sign-up link that will get you into the raffle for me to use your referral code, as well as enter the weekly land giveaway. So we've got two awesome prizes that you have the potential of winning for just filling out one contact form. Also, as a third benefit of that form, you will be put on my email list. Sometimes I don't have the time to shoot and edit and post a video, but I do get emails out pretty quickly, so definitely you want to sign up for that form because you'll be put on the email list, you'll be put into the referral raffle, and you will be put into the free land giveaway raffle. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to the correct channel. Intentional Being is the channel that I go live on. I will post Earth2 content on both channels, Intentional Being and Meal Prep Biz 101, but I only go live on Intentional Being, and I post first to Intentional Being. So if you really want up-to-date information, make sure you're subscribed to Intentional Being. Make sure you've got those alert notifications on, and make sure you filled out that contact form so you're on the email list and you don't miss a single thing. But now that we've got that out of the way, let's jump into today's episode. All right, now I will admit I do have previous video, at least one previous video sharing some of my frustration with withdrawals. And then I also have the follow-up video that tells you what's going on with the withdrawals. By the way, if you want to withdraw, I strongly suggest TransferWise. So far in my experience, it's been the fastest route. There's going to be a link to TransferWise below. You use that link and you get like $600 worth of a transfer for free, something like that. Check it out. Use the link. And again, it's way faster than wiring it to your bank. Trust me. Check out my videos if you don't believe me. But they've got something new that I didn't see coming. I didn't even know this was possible, honestly, but they are going to be offering credit card withdrawal. Straight from Shane Isaac, CEO himself, we are extremely excited to announce our initial approval for direct withdrawals back to credit cards. That's pretty awesome. I don't know how that's going to work if you only put in like $500 and you want to take out like $5,000. But in any case, through Earth2 accounts, making withdrawal requests will still need time to be reviewed. And I've mentioned this in other videos, so we'll assume we all know why. It is nonetheless wonderful news as the request will be streamlined, not via email. They mentioned before, and I mentioned this in other videos, they're going to be having a ticket process put up, so you're able to put up basically a ticket with your issue like a lot of customer service systems are able to offer, and it's way more organized than dealing with an inbox full of random back and forth conversational emails. And the final payout will take minutes without the need of us validating banking details in full, which takes a lot of time at present, and waiting for bank transfers to complete. We realize withdrawals are a bottleneck for us at present. Yeah, I'd say so. And we have been working hard to improve options for our users in this area. Now, this is great because I'll tell you one of the reasons it works so well. A big concern they've had is the security of the accounts. They have released two-factor authentication, which is a huge step forward. Not everybody is implementing two-factor authentication, and it's still not foolproof. And when you're dealing with people's money and the ability to, liquidate the assets or the portfolio of these accounts, but also the money. If you were able to just transfer that to your own account after you hacked into my account, that wouldn't be a great thing. So the reason it's faster to go back to the credit card is that's the payment method that brought the money in. So if they're basically sending money back to the source, they could assume that the source is legit. Now again, my question is what happens when the amount of Earth 2 money exceeds the amount that I've taken from that credit card. I don't know. When he says credit card, is that synonymous with debit card? I don't know. So I've got some questions as far as, what the limitations and the availabilities and all that jazz are going to be, but this is great news. Now, I was happy enough to see that TransferWise expedited the process, and the withdrawal process really, it's been mucked up a lot because, they're spending so much time with these scammers. Unfortunately, scammers are just too prevalent, and it's creating enough issues where they're dealing with people playing the wrong way, and then they also have to make sure that you're not one of the bad guys. They have to go through every single one of your transactions. I mentioned in another post that they've automated that process a bit, so that should expedite this process even further. And I imagine that within the next few weeks or maybe the next few months, this will be a pretty instantaneous thing. Maybe not same day, because let's be honest, that would be insane for a global platform to be moving money like that. However, if they do start incorporating blockchain currencies, cryptocurrencies, I should say, I see that being more of a reality. But I do think that's going to be coming. I don't know if we're going to have that within the year. I don't see why not, but we shall see. You know what? I'm going to make a prediction. Yeah, we will have some form of currency within the year. Maybe I'll be wrong. I don't know. I am completely speculating, so don't, make any major decisions based on that. Please do decide to subscribe and turn on those alert notifications. That would be a great decision to make. Another one would be to check out the links below. It goes to other videos, other stuff that's useful, and oh yeah, a sign-up form where you can not only win the chance to have me use your referral codes when I make my purchases, but also some of that land I'm going to be purchasing, I'll be giving away weekly, and you could enter for a chance to win free land giveaway as well. And oh yeah, you'd be put on my email list, so before I have the chance to plan, shoot, edit, and post a video, people on the email list are notified. So if you want the most up-to-date information, you're going to be on that email list. You're also going to have those alert notifications on, and you're going to make sure that you're on Intentional Being, subscribed to that second YouTube channel that I have, Intentional Being. So I've got Meal Prep Biz 101. That's my bigger channel. That's more about my businessy stuff. Earth 2 content does go on there, but it always ends up on Intentional Being earlier, and that's the only place that I go live with Earth 2 content. So if you want to chat back with me, that'd be the place to do it. But until the next episode, I look forward to helping you navigate this marvelous, miraculous, magnanimous, mystical, mysterious world of Earth 2. Have an awesome day, evening, afternoon, weekend, quinceañera, whatever's going on in your world.